In this video, we'll show you step by step how to use the ComMarker fiber laser machine with LightBurn. We're using the ComMarker Titan 200W fiber laser with a 110mm lens. First, get your material ready. For over 1mm thick metals, we recommend securing it in the metal sheet holder to prevent warping from heat. Import your design into LightBurn and click Ungroup. Start with the smallest shapes inside the layers you want to cut those first before moving to the bigger outer shapes. For tiny shapes, we're using the fill mode. Adjust your LightBurn settings on screen. You'll see we're running almost full power, 90%, and have bi-directional fill and cross-hatch turned on. Preview your design, and if everything looks good, hit start. If you're not sure how many passes you need, turn on run continuously until the piece is fully cut. For example, cutting 2mm stainless steel with a 200W fiber laser took around 300 passes. Higher wattage or thinner material will need fewer passes and cut faster. Next, select the second layer. For metal over 0.5mm thick, use the offset mode. It thickens the outline and lets the laser dwell longer in the same spot, making it easier to cut through. For the remaining layers, do the same. Use offset mode to thicken the outer fill lines. Finally, cut the outermost circle with offset mode and run continuously until everything is completely cut out. Repeat the same procedure. We are very satisfied with the cutting result. The edge is very clean and smooth, requiring almost no sanding or polishing.